What if I told you you could create a presentation like this in a matter of minutes? I'm Bridget Bartlett with My Vision Agency, and today I'm going to show you how to do this and edit it inside of Google Sheets, PowerPoint presentation, and even Canva. You can also download this as a PDF. Now, to do this, I'm actually using Manus, and I want to walk you through the process of creating the presentation using Manus. If you don't have a Manus account, you can actually go to myvisionagency.com/Manus, and you'll get 1,500 bonus credits plus 300 daily credits just for using my referral link. Now, I did give Manus the audio instructions to help me create a presentation so that I can do a training to show how Manus can help create presentations. I'm actually going to share with you this entire thread here, but I just briefly want to go through this so that you can see not only how you can create the presentation, but also how you can share this with others so that they can see the process. If you're a coach, this is really helpful. Or if you're just working with a client who's struggling and you want to guide them by sharing your conversation here with the AI. So you'll see here that I'm chatting with the AI. The AI is getting to understand what I want. I'm sharing a couple links just to help it learn more about the two different softwares that I'm wanting to create the presentation about. And what I'm telling Manus is to combine these two solutions into one and then create the presentation for local business owners so that they can understand how to use the AI employee in their business. So you see that it's created the slide outline here, and it's also created each individual slide. And you can see as you walk through the process, the slides that it's creating. So we can actually see Manus working and thinking as a computer as it goes on. Now it says here, I've completed the training and the presentation, and we can see clearly that it looks amazing. You also can click here for the benefits of creating a presentation for Manus. So that would be for me when I'm doing the training to share with you. But again, I'm going to share this conversation with you, and then you can really dive in. You can hear my audio responses, and you can really understand the power of using this and how you don't really have to be a tech expert to use this and create your presentation, saving yourself so much time. Now we go through the key features here and how the members can use this. And if I click here, you'll see that I've actually asked it, now that you've created this, create a prompt so that I can give this to the members of my program and they can use this for their own business. So you'll see Manus has created the prompt, and it's even put placeholders in here so that when the members of my program paste in this prompt and then they fill in the placeholders, they can get a really customized slide presentation to put on their website so they can automate the sales process and not have to go through this every single time doing demos like we all used to do. So if I scroll down here past the actual prompt, you'll see that it also gives instructions for the members. So copy and paste the entire prompt above. Fill in all the bracketed placeholders with your specific information, paste the customized prompt into Manus, review and refine the generated presentation, add your specific branding, and then, of course, test. Now, when you get the presentation created, if we don't like the theme that it's chosen, we can click here and we can choose any of these themes. We can also build in our brand colors and logo and all of that by using the prompt to really customize it. If you want to edit it, you can actually click here. And then you do have some very basic edits that Manus allows you to use, like you could change the text, but you really could not change the colors and the layout, things like that, inside the Manus editor. However, you can click the share button and you can share this as a link. So if I just wanted to create the presentation, open up a new window, and then I wanted to just view the presentation and go through it like this, I certainly could. I wouldn't even need to import it into any other tool. Or I could also go here to download, and I could import this into my PowerPoint presentation and use that. I could also download as a PDF or convert it into Google Slides like I showed you before. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how easy that process is. Now you'll see we've just opened up a new window, and now I can use all of the same functions that I could use if I just created this myself. Now, if I want to download this as a PDF, let's go ahead and do that. And let's open this up. You'll see now I don't see anything about Manus. I just have my PDF slide presentation completely ready to go. But let's say that I still needed some editing. Like I can see this is overlapping a little bit. I may want to change some colors or change some more information. And it makes it really easy to do in Canva. Canva is my favorite editor. So if you want to go download it as a PDF, and then you can go to your Canva account, you can just drag that PDF in there. You can see I've been testing and playing with this. Then just double click in the file, and now you can see that our presentation has been imported here, and we can do any edits inside Canva using their functions. So thank you all so much for joining me today. If you would like access to this conversation, you can join our free community. If you would like to join our reseller program and get access to all of our tools and coaching to discover my 4-hour workday strategy, you can click here to sign up for high level so you have access to your own tools. If you're already a high level customer, you can click here to join directly. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I look forward to working with you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality.